Hello and welcome back. This is Brent Pillsbury from the Social Studies Megastore, and I just want to go over how I'm using a quick, fun assessment tool, as we're really not supposed to be assessing students right now. However, I'm not assessing students. I'm actually trying to guide their learning to what they're supposed to be doing. So this is Quizlet Live that I like using a lot. I love using Quizlet Live. It's a great review for a test. It's perfect. But what's great is with Quizlet, and I forget if this is included in the Pro Edition or not when you purchase Quizlet, but they've got some of these cool games. So they've got Quizlet Learn. So Quizlet Learn is great. So it showed the horrors of modern warfare. Like, this is just a quick review of how to just understand something before you actually get into it. So I have 30 questions for them to do for this little Quizlet Learn game. So I'm starting with the Quizlet Learn. They also have Quizlet Flashcards. There's also Quizlet Gravity. So Quizlet Gravity is kind of like an asteroid type game, which I may use that for my test, which is super fun. So you type the answer in for, what was the literature of the 1920s like? And then you're supposed to type in your answer, and then it shoots the asteroid down. It's super fun. So that's kind of cool. And then they've got tests. You can actually take the test, but you have to write in the answers, or you can kind of bubble in stuff here. So I'm just doing it randomly. So that's kind of cool. So I'm not going to use the test because we're not supposed to be testing right now. The Learn is good. The flashcard is good. So flashcards are just flashcards to actually like the different words that deal with the rise of totalitarianism. The spell, not going to use the spell probably. I could, under the play section, they have a match, which I've never done the match. So I guess you're supposed to just match up things, and then you're timed to literacy, artistic movement. So this is kind of cool, what Stalin promised to do. So then you've got to, I guess, match up the things underneath it or something like that. I don't know, but it looks like it could be fun for students. So let's see. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. So you put it on top of it and then it goes away, right? All right. Oh, got it. Okay, that's super fun. Yeah, that's great. So anyways, Quizlet is great. It's fantastic. I have tests for all the world history stuff on here. I also have all these tests are linked to my store. So you're welcome to go to my Teacher Pay Teacher store. So if you go to Teachers Pay Teachers and you look at my store, under all the different units. So let's say you're studying, my Teacher Pay Teacher store is Social Studies Megastore, and let's say you go under totalitarianism, you should be able to find not only the totalitarianism bundle, which is giant, I've put so much stuff in there, but you can also find the free test, which is, if you scroll down and you can check it, I just have everything kind of categorized there. So I have a lot of material on my Teacher Pay Teacher store so that you can check it out. But the test is completely free. And so here it is, World History Totalitarian Test. And this is a group test. I use this as groups. So when we go back to school, I have the students take the test with one other student, and that way they can work together on actually doing the test. And there's some matching, there's some fill-in. It goes over exactly the same thing as the Quizlet. So anyway, hope you enjoy it, and I hope you can use this during this time. Obviously this won't be useful, but the review game is very useful, as I'm going to use the Learn, I'm going to probably use the Match, and I'm going to use the Gravity right now. Those are the three things I'm going to learn. So hopefully that helps someone out. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk